So today I'm going to talk about practical life activities. The objective of this lesson is why practical life activities are important in a Montessori environment and how you can use your knowledge to produce a variety of practical life exercises. One of the things that I want us to look at is how our daily life is. From example, getting up, dressing up, washing our hands, preparing food, clearing the table during meals time, cleaning and tidying the house. These things are very practical to our children. They see us doing these things every day and they get curious. They want to know, they want to imitate, they want to copy, they want to repeat the same things that we have done. And it's fascinating for the kid. And as an adult, we always want the end result. The end results of sweeping, you want to make sure you've swept the place very fast, very quickly, and you're more interested in the results, the end result. While for a child, all these things are very fascinating. They have no end result. They're just happy, they're excited, they're curious. They just want to copy and do this kind of things. So in a Montessori setup, you will find we try to bridge, we try very much to bridge this kind of lifestyle from home and school. And someone will say, why do we do Montessori practical life? Practical life, these are daily realities of every child, every parent, and they prepare children for life. Indirectly, this helps them to be independent by themselves. You will ask, why is it important to do practical life in a Montessori environment? One of the reasons is because we bridge the gap between home and school. You find that the real things we do at home, we are practicing them in school, which means when a child enters the school is not shocked or surprised. All these things look familiar, and anything looks familiar makes the child settle quickly. Practical life also helps children into the next activities in a classroom. It prepares the child for the work in a classroom. The child is introduced to a cycle of activity. So it's not just that the child is just doing anything, but there's introduction of a cycle of activity which always calms them and makes them be anxious to finish what they've started. In practical life, there are always two aims. And the aims is either direct aim or indirect aim. And we will look at that later. So indirect aim is as follows. To truly prepare a child for life, we try very hard, 1, to develop independence in them, 2, to develop concentration, 3, to manipulate skills, dexterity, and coordination, 4, to develop social skills, social awareness, social skills, and 5, to develop intelligence, and 6, to develop a child's sense of order and self-control. So this I will go in full details to explain all the 6 development aims in a Montessori setup for our next class. Thank you.